Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, June the 21st, 2021, the longest day of the year. Yes, we have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and we have an additional with extra Sudokus. 7, I believe. Letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary puzzle. Total of 7 extra Sudoku, but 1 regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku in this case. And this will be a number. Yes, this will be number 2979. Yes, 2979. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. A lot of 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with the 9. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Oh, wait. 9 in this first row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a... Wait, 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8. We see here the 5 and the 8 in this row. So no 5 and the 8 in those 2 boxes. The 5 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 7. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then. Let me see. 8. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, huh? 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about, let me see, 7. Yeah. 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 3. All right. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. 6, 6, 7, 7, and the 4. Yeah, I'm missing the 4. 3, 3. No. Let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3. How about the 2? 2. No. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing here. The 8 is missing, and the 7. 4, 8, 7. 4, 8, 7. 7, 7. Yeah. The 9, the 8, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 2. Okay, 2, 2, 6, 6, 3. Oh. Mistake. I've made a mistake. 2, 7, but I already have a 7 here. So it must be the 8. Where is the mistake? 7, 7, 7. This should be a 2 then. Yeah, I think this should be a 2. I made a mistake here. This should be a 7 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Yes. Yeah. Stupid. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 5. 3, 3, 6. 3, 3, 3, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 3rd row for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. All right. 1 in the 3rd row, 1 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1. Okay. Now, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in this column. So no 1 and 8 in those 3 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 7. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see this number 2, number 8. All right. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Okay. 4, 7. Let me see. These are 3 missing numbers. The 6 is missing. The 4 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 6, 4, 3. 3, 4. Okay, need to wait. How about those 3 numbers? 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6, and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. And in this big square, I know in one of these 3 boxes is a 7. So in this column, here cannot be a 7 also. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 4 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. 4 and 6. Do we have all the ones? Yeah, I have all the ones. No. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 6. I need to mark those numbers. 1 number left in this second row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. Need to mark those numbers. All right, now those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. All right, so now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 6. Gesundheit. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, though, no, we already have a 6 here. Stupid. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right. I like this one. Yes, because for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, you can compare with the 2 stars Sudoku of the 2 stars in the additional. Yes, and for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, I've solved this in 40 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Playlists for the binary puzzles, playlists for the tectonics, for the medium Sudokus, for the heavy Sudokus, for the light Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, for the ladder Sudokus, for the killer Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye-bye for now.